First of all, I was raised like, don't be a bitch, work as hard as you can. And no one gives a if you don't have enough money, nobody gives a if you're hungry, nobody gives a if you're tired. You're the only one that can fix that. Dude, this is all I have right now. I'm like, I gotta make this so I can make my wife's life better, so I can do what I want. Like, this is, I have to do this. I have to do this. I have to do this. I have to do this.
Rob Bailey! Hustle standard! We do what we want! Let's go! Not your theme song. It's an anthem for the strong, the self-made, self-motivated, and my dreams are all gold-plated. This is not your theme song. It's an anthem for the strong, the self-made, self-motivated, and my dreams are all gold-plated.
What instrument did you play?
I played the flute. I really wanted to play the drums.
Can you still play the flute?
I don't know. I sold it a long time ago.
Also, we could have like a flute on the album.
Yeah.
You know, I did the 9 to 5. I did the 401k, all that great. And I started doing life. We had a house, we had a dog, we had all the things that you're supposed to do. And then we were just doing life. And like, as we were doing it, I was like, I always thought like, this feels stupid.
Nah, I go way back. Life's a so this is payback. And no giving, I can say that. All the time, I pray for that. So, you better save that. Better save that. I bottle lightning, bag thunder. Hustle standard is the 8th wonder. So it's no wonder I came back. Never gone, take that. Mother, I said take that. Who said it's all this, slow down.
I don't want a single person that I have to look at and be like, I want to do this, can I do this? I do what I want.
I don't care if you like me, ride or die with my crew. I do what I want, I got nothing to prove. I love this nothing to prove, and I'll never give up, give up, give up. And I'll never give up, give up, give up.
Lock me up and I'll show you a fool. That's the truth. Show me a leash and I'll break all the rules. Yeah, cause permission is wishing that wishes would listen. But my mission is killing. I kill everything, my mental is vicious. So vicious. I do what I want, never give a fuck. This verse is my hit list. Middle fingers in the air if you're with this. Can I get a witness?
I love this nation. I love this nation. I love this nation. Nothing to prove, and I'll never give up, give up, give up. And I'll never give up, give up, give up. RB, this is it. We're doing it. This is it. They don't think we can do it, boy. Live fast, never die. I'm living like I'll never die. Live fast, never die. I'm living like I'll never die. Live fast, never die. I'm living like I'll never die. Live fast, never die. I'm living like I'll never die. And I'll never give up, give up, give up, give up. And I'll never give up, give up, give up, give up. And I'll never give up, give up, give up. Never touch the brakes, pedal down, let's go. Stack it up, face it straight, let's go. Never touch the brakes, pedal down, let's go. Stack it up, face it straight, let's go. Go! Warehouse. I'ma shout out everyone.
Rob Bailey.
The Hustle Standard.
We do what we want.
Myself.
Go, Rags, holla.
My
Do what we
crew.
want. Bailey, where you at? Yo, Bill P-Rod. What up, boy? DLB. I'm up when the sun comes up. I never f***ing sleep. I'm staring at the stars at night. And the stars are staring back at me. Cause they get it, I'm up when the sun comes up. I never f***ing sleep. I'm staring at the stars at night. And the stars are staring back at me. Cause they get
Days off. I don't play that. I don't know where I'm at or what day it is. Days off. I don't play it. I don't know where I'm at or what day it is. Have you seen me lately? I think I'm doing great. I don't know where I'm at or what day it is.
I'm up when the sun comes up. I never f***ing sleep. I'm staring at the stars at night. And the I'm staring at the stars at night, and the stars are staring back at me, 'cause they get it all up when the sun comes up. I never fucking sleep. I'm staring at the stars at night, and the stars are staring back at me, 'cause they get it all up when the sun comes up. I never fucking sleep. I'm staring at the stars at night, and the stars are staring back at me, 'cause they get it. 'Cause they get it. 'Cause they get it. 'Cause they get it.
It's not my first time here. Relax. Gotta keep my mind clear. Plant my feet, I'm here to stay. I dig my heels into the ground. Take a breath like it's my last. It's not my first time here. Feel the creases in my palms. It's not my first time here.
I tell him I can't do it, but I'm lying. I tell him I can't do it, but I'm just not trying. Nobody told me that the end was the end. Tell that to yourself and tell it to a friend. And if that friend is a friend, it'll slap you in the face and tell you to get your mind straight. I'm made for this. I'm made for this.
They don't want trouble. They don't want trouble. Squirt up. 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 They don't want trouble. They don't want trouble. Squirt up. They don't want trouble. Squirt up. They don't want trouble. Squirt up. They don't want trouble. I don't bleed. I never bleed. If I stop, I'm probably dying. I've got the heart of a lion. I still eat like I'm hungry. It's never been about the money. I still work like I'm broke. Trust me, this ain't my first time here.
I tell him I can't do it, but I'm lying. I tell him I can't do it, but I'm just not trying. Nobody told me that the end was the end. Tell that to yourself and tell it to a friend. And if that friend is a friend, it'll slap you in the face and tell you to get your mind straight. I'm made for this. I'm made for this.
They don't want trouble. They don't want trouble. Squirt up.
Why not me? After all I've been drugged through, that's a definite, no probably. What you think is the lottery? Like luck and a little bit of magic are the only things that got me from over there to where I wanted to be? Are you kidding me?
Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker. Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker. Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker. Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker.
I worked long and there was never a paycheck because, you know, I'm a young artist with heart and with passion and honor and all that I have inside me. I'm not like worked up. I'm just casually saying I'm willing to fight you in your front yard. So I said, well, did I get it? And they're like, ah, you're close. I'm living the dream. Like, I don't care if I don't know what I'm doing. I don't care if I don't have taxes. I don't care if I don't have stuff in business. I don't have the trade. I don't care. But I do it. It's 3 a.m. I'm alone and I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm trying my best. We're here because we're honest and we do what we want, and that got us. And I promise you guys, I'm not gonna sleep, I'm not gonna lift, and I'm not gonna eat until I fix it. And I'm sorry, you're not that bad, bro. Like, you might think you are, but you're not really that bad.
Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker. Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker.
Nobody gives a about you. Everybody's aware of that, right? Like, you think people give a about you. Like, you think your girlfriend gives a about you. You think your boyfriend gives a about you. You think your friends give a about you. But nobody gives a about you. Like, when it really, really comes down to it, bank on no one giving a about you. I'm not giving advice here because I don't give advice. I said, f all that shit. I'm gonna do this right now because I have to.
Plan my attack. Plan my attack. Back. Plan my attack. Plan my attack. Back.
I love it when my heart beats fast. I wanna be scared, addicted to the rush, and I want it to last. I'm gonna reach through to the other side. And when I get through, I know I feel more alive.
7 nights, same clothes, no days off for the brave. White lights, no hope, no days off for the brave. Plan my attack, old time's gonna go down. There's no turning back now. Plan my attack, old time's gonna go down. There's no turning back now. There's no turning back now. There's no turning back now. Plan my attack, old time's gonna go down. There's no turning back.
I just took a year and got lost. Found myself chasing passion, whatever the cost. I wanna say I beat the night, 'cause when I get there, I know I feel more alive.
Cold stairs, thin crew, no days off for the brave. No one cares, night moon, no days off for the brave. Plan my attack, old time's gonna go down. There's no turning back now. Plan my attack, old time's gonna go down. There's no turning back now. There's no turning back was to be on time.